How's it, everyone? I'm Julian.
Right, my name is Norma.
Hi, I'm Corinne.
Been sitting here at part 1 of Hands-on Biblical Healing. Walked into the session not sure what to expect, but knowing that there's something that God wants to impart in my life today.
We've had 9 to 5 of just Jesus. I'm so glad I came, and this is really short and sweet that it has really pushed my faith up, and I certainly intend to come again.
Standing here as a Generation X, that's now the generation that's actually going to take over from the former generation. I'm standing here pivotal, being equipped to be able to impart into my life, first and foremost, hands-on biblical healing, all based on truth of the Bible.
Well, it says there's so much more. I can't wait for the next one. There's so much more. There's just so much more.
The Spirit of God inside of me is what gives me complete and utter healing. The whole take on what's happened today it's overwhelming how much truth can be imparted in a session this long.
And I'm so glad that Mark is part of my church.
With the last session we had now was faith. It was so interesting. So please, if you have chance to come or get the manual and go through it and work with people, because we are here for a purpose, to help the people to see what a wonderful Papa we serve.
I want to encourage you, especially my generation X, and those that are below me, the Generation Z and the millennials. Get yourselves into a session like this. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.
I've learned a lot, but there's just so much more. Thank you.